In this video, we're going to talk about some basic sedimentary rocks that we can find throughout the world. A lot more sedimentary rocks. There are a lot more types of sedimentary rocks than what we have here, but these are just the key ones that are in your lab. The first thing we need to talk about when we talk about sedimentary rocks is the two main types that we see here. We see on this side precipitated or chemical sedimentary rocks. They are precipitated out of the ocean or out of an organism, a fossil if you will. And on this side we have what we call clastic or detrital sedimentary rocks, and these are made of various crystals, grains that are glued together and cemented together through the process of diagenesis. Starting with the chemical rocks, we have two to indicate here. This is a chemical precipitant, usually in a tropical ocean of limestone. That's calcium carbonate, and there's no fossils in this one. And then on this one you see a nice little depression here, and that is a fossil brachiopod within a limestone casing, and this is a precipitated mineral of calcite. Chalk is also of calcium carbonate, but this little piece of chalk is mostly microorganisms that fell to the seafloor and were glued together with other calcium carbonate and created that rock type. Chalk, as you well know from chalkboard, chalk is very soft. Limestone is a bit harder, but it's still a relatively soft rock. On the detrital or clastic side, we have three examples. Based on grain size, we go from the smallest grain sizes in shale to a larger grain size of sandstone, which is, as you can imagine, sand grain sizes, to a mixture of grain sizes from everything from small muds, silts, and clays to large, as you can see, pebbles and sand grains called a conglomerate. We call this sorting. So this would be a poorly sorted rock because it has many types of grain sizes. These two are well sorted rocks in that they're all the similar grain size. Composition of the grains also can matter. Like with sandstones, there are various types of sandstones depending on whether it's a quartz sand or a feldspar sand or even a mafic mineral sand. Shales are based on small grain sizes and also the composition.